So I came across this comment on Facebook recently. You can pause the video to read it. It did not sit well with me, and here's what I have to say about it. I won't dignify the statement with a retard. We can leave the unreasonable, generalizing, hateful, and male egocentric comments to the Megto community for that. And to be very honest, I've had some really bad experiences with some women, and I'm pretty sure that some women have had bad experiences with me as well. But we humans are selfish and narcissists. So if I look at it only from my perspective, it would be easy to let the bitterness get to me and let the hatred seep into my personality. I really don't want to make this a battle of sexes, because that would contradict my opinion that men and women are here to compensate for each other's inadequacies and complete each other. It would only aggravate the already existing gender disparity that I clearly see in the society today. Men and women are already having a hard time falling in love with each other and, more importantly, understanding each other. I blame the intrusion of technology in our lives for killing the essence of real interactions, and being a millennial, I have witnessed the transition in people's interaction with each other. The problem with her statement is that instead of just condemning the crime, she went out of her way and took the opportunity to demonize men and call them stupid, and there is a misplaced sense of entitlement in it, and I felt like it deserves a proper response.